I'm going to do a small video today of a Mokume Gane cutting on the Pro Slicer. This is how thin the material is, the polymer clay is. I've imprinted, it's a stack of 2 sets of number 3 on top of each other, so quite thin. I then laid it on the back of my slicer, and I have already made a couple thin slices. I do it at 1/2 turn. I'll show you that in a minute. So there's one that I've already done. And now what I work with are the little cards. It will catch the pieces. I'm already at the 1/2 turn. This is straight up. And you see how I've got my thumb on the control? I turn the knob 1/2 turn and down it comes. And with the help of this wooden tool, you can slide it, that very thin piece, away. And this is making a veneer that could go on top of maybe pearl clay. I get another one. Up it comes. 1/2 turn. Down. And now this is, you've got a beautiful slice again. And you just keep going. 1/2 turn. And you can turn that over. And now, as you can see, you've got clay on the back of the slicer. And what I'll do is just go give it some workspace. Just so, and then lock it up. And now what I will do is take a blade. If you wanted that last piece, take a blade and then just lightly go down. And I could probably use that bottom 1/2. So out of a sheet, as I say, 2 number 3s put together on the machine, I have gotten 4 very nice, actually close to 5 slices of veneer to work with. And both of them, of course, they're workable. It depends on what coloring you want. If you know what Mokume Gane is. So there you have it. So that's the Pro Slicer. If you're interested, give me a shout at ggarb@niftystuffbygail, or check out the website www.garbdesigngroup.com. Thanks for watching.